again. It's a rich thing.
Welcome back to another video. I hope everybody's doing fine and well and having a great day. Welcome if you are new. So today I have got Madam Glam's 2024 Easter egg. So this is limited edition, which obviously means it's not going to be around forever. So if you want it, get it now. So I don't know if any of you saw my Easter egg. Madam Glam, they did an Easter egg last year as well. And I did a set of nails. And the set of nails that I did, I'll stick a picture up of last year's egg and the set of nails that I did. I did a set of nails using inspo from the actual Easter egg box because I loved last year's Easter egg box with all the ombre and the moon and the stars and stuff. This year, being honest, those of you that know me know I don't like floral nails. I love this box, I love this little cracked effect. But yeah, I'm not too keen on the floral stuff, so I will not be using the box as inspo this year. But rather than just do a boring swatch, I have got some tips out and we will do a little something with what's in here. Look at it. Ingredients, we've got 1 cup of Egg Mania collected from the Easter Bunny's home, 3 drops of Magic Whispers gifted by the Garden Fairies, 1 dash of Extravaganza from Madam Glam's laboratories, and then we've got 1 sprinkle of bunny's freckles borrowed from a friendly bunny. Mix it together and enjoy a glamorous gel manicure this Easter. I love that. That's so cute. Right, so shall we get it open and see what we got? So we've got a cute little bow on top. Here we go. Look at this. So cute. So we have got what looks like 3 creamy gels and that's got a little bit of something in there. So let's get these out and we'll do a quick swatch and just a very, very quick, simple little nail art design with them today. So what have we got? We have got Egg Mania. So the names, it looks like the names of the gels are these ingredient things there. So we've got Egg Mania, which is this 1 cup of Egg Mania collected from the Easter Bunny's home. And then this one is Extravaganza, which was the 1 dash of Extravaganza from Madam Glam's laboratories. And then we've got the Magic Whispers, which was 3 drops of Magic Whispers gifted by the Garden Fairies. And then lastly, this was the Bunny Freckles. 1 sprinkle of Bunny Freckles borrowed from a friendly bunny. So, shall we get these swatched and do a little bit of something with them? So firstly, Egg Mania. Right, and lastly guys, this says no wipe top coat, but I think it's a mistake. It's not a top coat, it is a gel polish. It does dry with a tacky layer. And this is just full of sprinkly and it's quite thick as well. It's full of yellow, orange, blue, white, all little bits of what looks like shards and glitter pieces. Looks very unique. But it is extremely thick, very thick. But yeah, it's definitely not a top coat. It does cure with a tacky layer. It almost looks like those gels that are got little flower pieces in there, doesn't it? Very unique. I like that. Right guys, that's all 3 of them swatched. So from the left to the right, we've got the peachy colour, purple and the blue, and then I think this top coat is, well, it's not a top coat, it is a gel polish, but I think what it's meant is like it's a topper, isn't it, to go over colours. I think that's what they've meant by when they've put it down as a top coat. It's just not a no wipe top coat, it's more of a topper, isn't it, to go over any colour. But it's very nice. I like that this has kind of got the yellow in there, it's got the peach in there, and it's got the blue in there, and it's got a teeny tiny little sprinkle of white. Really, really unique little gel, that, isn't it? I like it. So shall we just do a little quick something using these colours? It's going to be something really quick and simple. I'm just going to do 4 tips. Right, so I've pulled out another colour I'm going to use as a base colour, and it's called Love Energy. And it's just a really nice, deep, dark kind of nudie pink, isn't it? I'm going to use that. And I'm going to start by doing a nail bed on 3 of these nails, keeping it really simple. So I'm just going to do most of it using the brush out the bottle. And then I'm going to use a fine liner brush to just tidy it up a bit. So I'm using my favourite Madam Glam brush, the long fine liner. Love this brush. I'm going to do exactly the same on 2 more of these tips. Right, and then on the free edge of these 3 Frenchies, we're just going to use 1 of each of the colours that came in the Easter box. Right, I'm going to stick that in a lamp, and I'm going to do again the same on these 2 using the pink and the blue. So I'm just going to give these a quick matte top coat. I want these nails to be matte, and I want to do just some little drips with, this is a brand new matte top coat. I hate that about matte top coats. You always get them jelly bits in them. It's a brand new matte top coat as well. So yeah, I'm just going to matte top coat these. I want these nails to be matte. And I'm just going to do some kind of fun drippy drips with the sprinkle top coat thing. So I'm going to use Madam Glam's white gel paint. I'm just going to start by doing a smile line around this smile line. Just going to start by putting a little white border around this smile line. I'm going to do this on all 3 first, and then we'll do the little drippy things. Right, so I'm going to use a dotting tool to do my drips. I think I'm just going to do drips on half the nail. I'm going to try it like that. So I'm just going to pull straight up from them dots, straight up to the white smile line. This is what's going to be my drips. And then I'm just going to round these drips off just a little bit more. And I'm also going to make it look like they're blending into that smile line. Right, I'm just going to leave it like that. I'm going to stick that in a lamp, and I'm going to do that on the other nails. I don't know whether to add another drip. I don't know whether to add another drip just there. No, I'm just going to leave it like that. Right, so that's my drips done. So I want to cover these drips in this kind of I'm going to call it a confetti top coat, but some of the bits are quite big, so I am going to have to really mess about with this and just try and get some of the smaller bits on these drips. Why do I do this to myself? That was so difficult. So I think I'm just going to leave it like that, she says as she carries on messing. I'm just going to leave it like that. Stick that one in the lamp. Right guys, so that top coat has left a tacky layer. You could use the same little detailer brush and go over them drips with a no wipe top coat, but I'm not going to bother because the white underneath it is a shiny no wipe top coat. So I've just wiped the tacky layer off mine and I'm going to leave it like that. So lastly for this nail, so I'm just going to go straight over the top of this now with this funfetti top coat. I keep calling it a funfetti top coat. What's its actual name? Bunny freckles. I'm in two minds whether to give that a second coat or not. I think I'm going to leave it like that. So I have ended up top coating over these little drips just because they went a bit dull. Just wiping that tacky layer off. They're just not glossy at all. So I'm just using this little detailer brush and I'm just giving them a glossy top coat. So all what's left to do, this one is, I'm going to give this one a no wipe top coat. I want this to be shiny because the drips are shiny. So there we go guys, super easy. I wouldn't say easy but time consuming. The little drippy drips, they are easy but they're just time consuming. But I think they're really cute, really simple, definitely giving me Easter vibes. I'm not normally a fan of these kind of top coats, but I actually really like that. It's really different. Those little drippy drips were a pain in the arse trying to get the teeny tiny bits, but I enjoyed this set. So there's the little box again guys. This is definitely one to keep, isn't it? Such a pretty box. And there's the colours individually if you want to see them again. I'm so excited getting into spring colours and summer colours. Can't wait to get the neons out. Anyway guys, that is it for today. I will leave a direct link for the Easter box in my description box. Remember, it's limited edition, so it's not going to be around for very long. So if you want it, get it. I am not sure if my discount code works on it. Probably not, but you can try it anyway. Everything will be down in my description box. Please remember to give the video a quick thumbs up guys. Subscribe if you're not already, and hopefully I'll see you all back in my next one. Take care. Bye.